red light therapy lamp. Let me put it together and we'll talk about everything that's in the box and I'll show you how to use it. So first with the assembly, you've got the base. Then you're going to take this part of the arm and you are going to just screw this on. All right. Then you're going to screw the actual light on. All right, so here's the lamp, but a great feature with this is actually adjustable. So you can make this go taller if you need. You just unscrew this here, pull it out as far as you'd like, and then you tighten that to use that. This also does have a gooseneck design, so this can bend any which way that you need it for the therapy. This also does include the plug, or the block, to plug this in. It also includes a user manual which shows you what red light therapy can do and also the role of the different wavelengths. So this does go from 660 to 940 nanometers of penetrating red wave therapy. Let's get it plugged in and I'll show you how it works. Let's go ahead and take a look at the remote also. So on here you have the power button, then you have the plus and minus, which is going to increase or decrease the light, and then you also have the timer, and that will do 10, 20, or 30 minutes. So we'll go ahead and turn that on. Then you see we decrease, and then we increase. One other thing that the red light therapy does come with is the sunglasses for protecting your eyes. So now I can sit here, I can relax, I can have the red light therapy shine on me if I'm just laying in my bed. And I even love the versatility that this lamp is so easy to move around that I can even bring it into other rooms of my house. So you're not just stuck to using it in one spot. It's very portable and moves around wherever you need it to. So really recommend red light therapy. It's something I'm a big fan of, and this product is fantastic.